Artificial intelligence is going to have trillions of dollars in impact annually on businesses, and it's going to transform the way we do marketing. It'll make it more intelligently automated, which gives us the opportunity to create efficiencies, to drive revenue, to create greater ROI. And yet most marketers have no idea what it is. They don't understand it, they can't define it, they can't identify use cases to pilot within their organizations. That's why we created the Marketing Artificial Intelligence Conference, MAICON. Year 1, 2019, we see as chapter 1 of the story. Our job is to give marketers manager level and above access to the knowledge, the resources, the tools to understand AI, develop confidence in explaining it within their organizations, and run pilot programs, and eventually scale the use of artificial intelligence to create a competitive advantage. So you're probably wondering, is MAICON for me and my team? Well, the answer is marketing technology is going to get smarter whether you take action now or not. Your email marketing, your content marketing, your social media, your analytics, your sales enablement, it's all going to get intelligently automated in the coming years. Be proactive and take action now. That's what MAICON is for. It's for the people that are the change agents in their organization. And you need to be there to see the future of marketing and figure out how to create a competitive advantage for yourself and your brand. We have an incredible conference plan, an amazing story that's going to be told through more than 60 speakers about the future of marketing, give you tools and resources no one else is going to have to create a competitive advantage for you and your company. Go to www.maicon.ai for tickets and pricing, and be sure to get in before the early bird pricing is gone.